Hello and namaste, amazing beings. Welcome. Welcome to the world of yoga. I'm so happy that you are listening to this. Now, before we understand what yoga is, it's important to know what yoga is not. Yoga is not a set of relaxing exercises that stretch the body, nor is it exercises that make you sweat, that involves very hard arm twisting, leg twisting, complex positions, that makes it very difficult for many people, which seems very competitive, unapproachable, something like it doesn't fit into your life. No, that's really not what yoga is. And why should you understand what yoga is? Because if you don't understand it correctly, then you will not have the motivation or the inspiration to incorporate it in your daily life, to derive all the benefits that it can give you. And also you may not know that this has got potential solutions for some of the challenges that you are facing in your life. So what is yoga then? Yoga is the science of how to live. In yoga, there are no musts or shoulds. Yoga has got only recommendations because it is about total freedom. It's like a consultant who just tells you his opinion, tells you what is best for you to go to your next level. Except in yoga, it's not a single person who is giving the opinion. In yoga, it is lot of rishis, that is seers, enlightened souls who had given this to the world with no selfish motive. They did not want name or fame. They were not interested in copyrights, patents. They just wanted it for the humanity. They wanted it for the universe to benefit from it. In fact, we don't even know the names of the people who had actually given it out to the world. So, to understand this concept of yoga, let me ask you a question. What is that one thing that is driving you towards all activities in your life? That one thing that is motivating you to keep acting in the world? Think for a minute. Okay, when I mean everything, I mean whether it is you deciding to pursue your higher studies, or you deciding to join a job or give up the job, or you deciding to start a relationship or break a relationship, or you deciding to choose a specific place for your next vacation, a place to eat, a restaurant, your desire to make a lot of money, no matter what it is, your desire to buy a car, sell a home, you name it. Whatever you are doing in life, what is it that is motivating you to do this? Okay, well, you may call it pleasure, comfort, contentment, fulfillment, joy, peace, feeling good. But let me use the word for today, happiness. Even though all the other words that you may be thinking are all like the other versions of this word happiness. So, you are doing everything because you think you will be happy doing it. If that is the one motivating thing because of which we are doing everything in the world, then why is it that you're caught in tension, stress, disappointment, depression? And why does it seem like you're very far away from this happiness? Why is there this gap? Sometimes a small gap, sometimes a wide gap between what you really want and where you are. So, yoga is the path, a trail, a journey, your bridge that links where you are to where you want to be. It is the inward journey. It is shifting the level of your consciousness. Okay, so blessed ones, now it's time. Get up and start living yoga beyond the mat.